Hey, thanks for stopping by and watching another one of our videos. Hey, today I'm going to take some smashed taters. We're going to take some ground beef. We're going to make something awesome. It's called a burger bowl. Hey, this is going to be another fun cook. Let's get it going. We just have a little vegetable oil. I don't know, 2-3 tablespoons. Let me see if it's hot enough. I think so. Here I've got one medium sweet onion, half a red pepper, half of a yellow pepper. What I've got here, this is black garlic. Can you see that? Kind of like a paste. They came in the actual cloves. This is what they look like. And they're soft and kind of sticky, so you can't chop them up like regular garlic. So I'm just going to put it in here, and I'm hoping I can, with this heat, get it all mixed in. The black garlic has just an awesome earthy flavor. It's supposed to be pretty healthy for you as well. It doesn't have that bite like regular garlic does. You can see our onions are turning translucent. Peppers are softening up. I'm going to turn this heat off. And then I'm just going to put this on a paper towel and let some of that grease drain off. What I've got here, 3 pieces of oak. We'll spread them around. And then I've got 2 pieces of mesquite. This hamburger can take on a little bit of smoke now. I've got 2 pounds of ground beef. First thing we're going to do is put about 1/2 of a pack, I'd say that's about a half, of this Hidden Valley ranch. Everybody knows ranch dressing, right? Then we need some what's here sauce, right? What's this here sauce? I'm going to put in about 1/8 of a cup. Now we just want to mix this in. Make sure our ranch gets all blended in without the meat. I shouldn't say without the meat, throughout the meat. Now let's make these bowls. So you have to decide how big you want the bowls. I think I mentioned I have 2 pounds of ground beef. I think what we'll do is we'll see what one looks like. I've divided it into roughly equal thirds, you can see. I don't know if these are going to be big enough or not, but we'll do one and see. Here's that same bowl I had that had those veggies in it. Just want to smash it down. Now let's see what we've got here. You know, as you can see, it's just going to take a couple of minutes to get the burger shaped properly. And you can make them as big as you want, right? But I think that's what I'm going to go with. 2 pounds, 3 bowls. I got our burger bowls made here. I got those veggies, right? We made a few veggies. Just going to sprinkle a light layer into each one of our burger bowls here. Now look, plenty of veggies left. You could have got by with half that many. What I've got here is some Havarti dill, freshly seasoned up, freshly shredded up was the word I was looking for. Words I was looking for. Just get your favorite cheese, right? Have a little fun with this. Smashed taters. Now, I thought about this quite a bit. Should I make the smashed potatoes? Look, you've already seen smashed potatoes made, so why do I have to do that, right? What I'm going to do is use my favorite here, Bob Evans. I don't make mashed potatoes at home. This is what I buy. Now, if you want to make your own, if you're one of those people, oh, it's got to be homemade, go ahead, man, make your own potatoes. This is what I'm going to do. And actually, I got these on sale, right? They were 2 for the price of 1. There's just some smashed potatoes, right? Just like so. I used about half, roughly. And these are 24 ounces, it says. Now what I've got here is some freshly shredded habanero cheddar. As soon as I finish this third one up, we're going to move over to this grill and start smoking them. One of the things I'd encourage you to do is while your grill grates are hot, go ahead and clean them. In my opinion, it's easier to clean them when they're hot. And I want to cook these indirect today. So I'm going to take this grate out, put this plate setter in. Now if you're using a pellet grill, just set your temperature 350 and put them away from the fire. We'll get our grate back in and get our burger bowls on here. Now you can see I'm tearing this one up, so this is going to be a challenge. I'm hoping I can fix it once I get them all on there. Not so much of a problem with that one. Now, all I'm going to do is try to tighten the sides back up on this. I saw these made once before and they used foil around the edge. Maybe I should have done that. I'm hoping I can get by without the foil. We're going to try it anyway. Let's get our lid down, start the smoking. It's been right at 30 minutes. We cooked these around 350. And my temp gauge is going off at 158. Look at the beautiful color. You know, the government wants you to cook hamburger to 165. I'm going to take it off 158. It'll creep up to 160, 161 maybe. Now we don't want to... Oh, look at that. They're going to come off a lot easier than they went on. Our burger bowl has been rested about 10 minutes. I know you're probably saying, how's he going to finish them off? Mayonnaise, mustard, not happening. What I've got here, little brown gravy. Right? We got mashed taters under here. Just drizzle a little bit on. Little brown gravy. Now, what do we have next to top them off? How about some bacon? I made 4 pieces of bacon. You only need 3. Look at that, huh? Now, for color, you could use chives, you could use parsley. I'm using green onion. That's just the tops. Now the final thing I'm going to do, you know we didn't salt or pepper them. Just a little cracked Himalayan salt. Little fresh black pepper. I say we give them a try. In fact, let's cut one right down the middle so you can see what it's going to look like. Ooh, it's soft. Mashed potato-y. How about that? What do you think? Think that looks okay? I think it does. Let's try a taste test. I can't take it. I can't take it anymore. I'm sorry, I know this bite is too big. That right there. It's kind of like shepherd's pie without the peas. I can't stand peas. And a bunch of cheesy goodness in there. Oh, I gotta tell you, this is down-home comfort food for sure. I love that mashed potato. I just absolutely love it. Okay, top 5 recipe this year. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate everybody who's supporting the channel, giving us lots of feedback. Thank you. It's the holiday season. I hope you and your family have an awesome holiday and a safe holiday.